Hello friends, welcome back to Greta's Travels and welcome to a video that I'm very excited about and my 10-year-old self would be even more excited about. I am at the Pokemon Center in Tokyo and I'm about to go eat at the Pokemon Cafe, and this video is about this foodie experience with some useful tips, especially on how to book. So let's go!
You can't eat here without a reservation, and booking online beforehand can be pretty challenging. Reservations open a month before at 6 p.m. Tokyo time, but sell out almost instantly. The only way to book online before is to check after 10 p.m. Tokyo time the day before, and see what slots opened up for the following day. If you can't book online, you can always show up early on the day, and they will have a board outside the cafe with time slots that still have available seats, and you can book on the spot. Depending on the time, you can then head back out to explore Tokyo or just explore the Pokemon Center and merch available there. When you step into the cafe, you will see that everything is obviously Pokemon themed, from the decorations to the cutlery, plates, and even how food and drinks are displayed. I had a Pikachu and best friend's curry plate as main, and I have to say it was actually much better than I thought it would be. When you finish the food, I didn't eat my greens, don't judge me, Pikachu's cute face appears on the plate. I also had a very chocolate parfait for dessert, which was less Pokemon themed and a bit average to be honest, but I still enjoyed it. And then the highlight of the Pokemon Cafe experience is when Pikachu comes out and puts on a little dance show. Admittedly, this show is geared to customers who are much younger than me, but I can see why people enjoy it.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed this little Pokemon Cafe video. The food was actually much better than I expected. For a themed cafe I thought it just would be quite average. It was a bit overpriced, but actually pretty good. And make sure to like and comment. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. And please make sure to subscribe and come back next week because there are loads more Japan videos to come still. Thank you, bye.